Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to creating a web app MVC model. Using ASP.NET Core, we are going to creating MVC project. Let's begin. By clicking in Windows, I am explaining here. By clicking Start button, type Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2022, what we have installed in our previous lecture. Let's see now. By clicking Visual Studio 2022, see, 4 options will be there. In the entry place, you will be seeing that screen getting started, clone a repository, open a project or solution, open a local folder, or create a new project. We are choosing for this one, choosing a new project, choosing project template to code scaffolding to getting started. And this one is for clone a repository for getting a repository central hub code to in our local machine. And open project or solution is open a local Visual Studio project or solution which is already available in your computer system, or navigate and edit code within any folder which are having with the different resources. Okay, as a beginner, as a starter, we are initiating this course from scratch, so I am choosing create a new project. So click on create new project. So these things are the template. Create a new project template is showing very clearly the different. This Visual Studio is built for creating software applications, software projects, web APIs, and many more. So here I'm choosing we are initiating a new project with the ASP.NET Core web app model view controller. So how we can choose this C# language I am choosing. And the filter also we can specify here web app also we can choose. From the list of all project types, web also we can choose, no problem. Otherwise, what we will see, scroll down the things and choose what the request of initiating of the template for your reference. What the reference you need, you need to choose according to the selection of the template. So let's see. I'm choosing for ASP.NET Core web app MVC. See, scroll down one by one and you will find here the template ASP.NET Core web app model view controller, a project template for creating an ASP.NET Core application with example ASP.NET Core MVC views and controllers. So this template can also be used for RESTful HTTP services, also used for same template. So you need to identify what the requirement of your business logic and what type of application you are going to be initiating. So we are choosing this ASP.NET Core web API web app. So I'm choosing this template. Click next. So here we need to specify a name of the file. So here I am specifying MVC, small letters of capital M, VC, movie. Yeah, MVC movie. The case sensitive is very important to understand and calling the file from different sources in application development. The file names, which case you are writing, the same case you need to reuse when it is required for class name, method names and all. So strongly remember, there is no space between the names and variable names and all. This you will be learned from the basics. Okay, MVC movie is my project name, and very importantly we have to use for capital M for both and rest of small letters, and the location which is going to be saved by default location only I am placing. The beginners should understand and continue with the default things. Okay, and solution name is also same, and place the solution and project with the same directory. I'm choosing same directory and click next. Now you need to choose for framework, additional information for this model view controller, .NET 6.0 long-term support. I'm choosing the framework version, and authentication type is none. And configure for HTTPS. HTTPS is used for a hypertext transfer protocol secure layer. Click create to creating a new project. Using this template, it will be Visual Studio, behalf of Visual Studio will be created a skeleton of MVC structure. Now let's see, it's a working app and the basics like a starter project which is created using Visual Studio. See, all the folders are going to be displayed here, the controller, model, view, and application like app settings.json, C# program, everything is coming here. Let's see first to running this app very simply by clicking this green button. See here, MVC movie. By clicking this you will get like a build and run and show you the output. Let's see by running this. Yeah, it's running and I'm making cross mark of diagnostic tool. Okay, see, automatically the browser is appeared here for https localhost colon 7045 is my port number. Okay, so here and a welcome message, it's a default template only. We didn't written a line or we didn't configure anything, just we open the template, we running the application, and we have seen the output. MVC movie, home, privacy, the links are also there in built-in library. It's of forms, and these are the footer menu, everything is here. So awesome. So let's see, once I am closing the browser and I'm back to here, and if you want to debug, how you will, the menu item is there, debug, start debugging F5 or start without debugging like control F5. It's a shortcut for running of an app in Visual Studio. So by clicking on this one also the same thing will happen other than green button. So let's see, project is running. Awesomely we have initiated the project and created successfully with the MVC skeleton. In the next lecture we'll see what the template is created, what the options are available inside. We'll discuss more. I'll see you there. Thank you.